YouTubers, welcome to my channel. I'm Susie. I'm going to show you how to master the FlyLady cleaning system by first doing the FlyLady baby steps. I challenge you to do the FlyLady baby steps with me. I have made 16 baby steps for this challenge. We are going to start with baby step number 1, shine your sink.
First, you have to take away all your dishes, put them in the dishwasher or just wash them up. Then I want to clean my dish soap dispensers, and I use a spray bottle that I made with vinegar and water. 1/3 of vinegar.
Been walking down the street so many times my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold, no matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why, I'm always feeling homesick. Oh. All I know, all I know, all I know is this is where my heart is.
I have also some hand sanitizers.
Different cities, friendly faces, and perhaps I'm going.
This is a spray bottle with a kitchen cleaning solution.
But I don't have to be chasing every dream that I have. Oh, 'cause the thing is I've got more love here than I can bear. Ooh. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold, no matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why, I'm always feeling homesick. Oh. All I know,
This is a JosephJoseph dish caddy.
of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true, no matter what.
Now I start pouring the water, and it should be 40 degrees Celsius. I have a very large sink, as you can see, so it took me a little bit over 2 minutes to fill it up.
Moved out of town and I erased your number, but still I find myself calling in the middle of the night, and there is nothing I can do. I am madly drunk.
For the cleaning of your sink, you're gonna use bleach. 2 deciliter is about 1 cup.
You got my heartstrings tangled, tangled up. You got my heartstrings vibrating for you now. There's something more, but you don't want to admit it. Whoa, we're perfectly opposite. Perfectly opposite. I try to fight you off, but it's so useless. You circle around me like the moon around the earth, always ending with a kiss. I'm clueless. We pretend that we don't.
Set the timer for 60 minutes.
And there is nothing I can do.
Now it's time to sprinkle some baking soda in the sink.
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are.
I have a special scrubby for stainless steel.
You are the solution. Everything I needed. Never thought I'd meet someone like you. You know you are the reason. The reason why I feel like I can fly. Thinking about you day and night. I love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. I wanna hold your head. You're everything that I desire. Every time we touch, we get set the world on fire, world on fire. I wanna hold your head. You're everything that I desire, I desire. Every time we touch, we get set the world on fire, world on fire.
This first time when you're doing this baby step, you're doing it more thorough than you need to do later. This type of cleaning is something you should do about once or twice a year. When you shine your sink after washing up for dinner, you should just need dish soap and scrub the sink well and then dry it.
That feels right now, but you gotta work real hard.
I take away some leftovers from the baking soda and from the spray bottle with distilled vinegar.
See it in your mind, trust that. Have what it takes inside, 'cause you can make it too. If not says who, yeah, you can make it too. If not says who, you can make it. You had great patience, but something knocked you out. You felt your limitations and filled your mind with doubt. You wanna stay chill right now and don't let your eyes off the prize. I know you want it to be easy, so let your guard down. And I said, see it in your mind, trust that. Have what it takes inside, 'cause you can make it too. If not says who, yeah, you can make it too. If not says who, you can make it.
Don't forget to take a new dish towel out and dry the sink.
I'm fed up with changes. Come pick me up 'cause I just wanna see the light. I wanna be weightless. Teach me to fly, I won't be coming down. Could somebody wake me?
Here is the shining result.
Let the world pass me by. Yeah. I just see her face wherever I look. She's standing in the crowd.
Thank you for watching. In the next video I'm gonna show you baby step number 2. Please subscribe and give me a thumbs up.